Good to see you.
So we bought this townhouse about 4 years ago now, and we loved the street. We loved that both sides were lined with townhouses, so the light was beautiful. We ended up buying just a facade because we took down every single wall, floor. There was nothing except the front facade, not even a roof or the back of the house. So we sort of went for it, and we wanted to just make the flow go throughout the house, and we blew out the kitchen to make this great seating area. I found out halfway through the project I was pregnant with my third child, so certain things became even more important to me, like having a big basement with a playroom, a place we could all hang out, a big den with lots of seating, because now we were a family of 5. Then I just wanted to make sure the vibe was really soothing, sort of a retreat within the city. Nothing too precious, but still done in a chic, elegant way. Lots of creams, lots of textures.
Ashley, you've created such a soothing, sensuous, elegant palette in here with the pinks, the creams, the browns, the grays. I've really never seen anything like it. It's just kind of seamless from room to room, yet each space is very distinctive.
Well, thank you. I wanted a sanctuary away from everything. You know, I work at Stark and I see so many textures and patterns and color, and I just wanted to come home and like retreat and detox from all of that. So I definitely created this vibe, and it's throughout the house, and you know, it's just sort of understated but elegant, and
it's all those things, and textural too.
Yes, a lot of layers.
A lot of layers that disappear, but also just make it feel, as I said, very sensuous and elegant, and it does feel like a cocoon in here. I'm also remarking on all these amazing flowers. This is your new line,
yes.
Correct?
So this is my new line.
These are faux, everybody. I mean,
faux flowers. This is the fall line that's just come out. It's a collaboration with Diane James. We did it in 2 ways, where I designed with the bouquet in the vase, and then also these hand-tied beautiful arrangements you can stick in your own vase. So this is my vase.
I'm getting these, by the way. Like as soon as I leave here, I'm ordering these. Also, everything that you're creating for your website, it's just a whole extension of you loving and being at home.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's sort of where it came from. Everybody kept DMing me asking where they could find everything, and I sort of got frustrated because I didn't know where I could lead people, and then this way, now I have like a vehicle. So people are like, where can I get that rug? You can go on Ashley Stark Home. Where can I get the faux flowers? You can go on Ashley Stark Home. The pillows and the vases.
Right, it's just all there.
It's just all there. So it was an extension of me, and I handpicked everything that on the site, and I'm really proud of it. And it's really just what I'm loving and what I'm using in my own home.
Speaking of extension of you have 3 children.
I do.
And 3 children live here in the city. Yes. And what I love is a lot of people would think, I would never pick a white sofa or cream rugs or a lot of the palettes here, and yet it seems just completely family friendly too. Your daughter's downstairs in the kitchen coloring. It doesn't feel precious in here.
No, I mean, I think we're standing in the most precious room in the house, but even still, it's, you know, it's a family home. It's meant to be lived in, and you can't be too overly obsessive about it. I think, you know, everything's cleanable. I didn't do anything that I would really regret.
Your kitchen area, by the way, is so functional and cozy with the sitting area, and you can pull right up to the counter there.
Everything there is all performance fabric, so everything can be cleaned. You know, it was a little bit of mixture of that, and It just, you have to be able to live in your house. I worked on my kitchen, which was really important because I always say that it's kind of the heart of the home, and I wanted to make sure I had a lot of ovens because it was important to me to build this like working space that my kids could be sitting at the island watching me making pancakes in the morning, just being involved. So as you know, there's never enough storage in a kitchen. So I designed the cooktop to look like a range with an oven underneath, but it's actually just an under oven with stainless steel paneling on all sides, and then it's secret drawers. There's a secret hidden pantry with spice rack built into the doors, all custom cerused oak inside. Then I have on the side of my island custom built-in trays that you can take out so you can serve. They can go on the countertop and just look pretty, store things in there. The project just became this labor of love for me, and it took 2 years to do, and I've been living here and we're just so happy.
Don't miss another video visit. Click on the orange Q to subscribe and have Quintessence virtually delivered from our doorstep to yours.